And if that happens, how to say, yeah, if somebody loves it, she get punished, and she broke the rule. She loved somebody in some artist, a musician, a pianist. She had a secret love, and how to say, yeah, just went on. But they were found by wiretapping. So they knew they will be punished at certain moment through severe torture, or they wouldn't escape the death. So they decided to jump off from an apartment. So they jumped down. A man died and she survived, but she fell unconscious and never woke up again. But Kim Jong-il still gave her death penalty. Yeah, so yes, she's pretty cruel. When we get into that kind of detail, because some pleasure group defected to South Korea, they never want to marry Kim Jong-il. The families, it's not always they love the leaders, yeah, even though people believe they are great, and yeah, because most of them being brainwashed, they believe all the pleasure comes from their great leadership. They can survive because of them. But while some people know the truth, those defected people to South Korea, they fly some pictures to North Korea that we can show what's happening in South Korea and all over the world, because North Koreans, they don't know what's happening outside. And it's a common concern. They were educated, brainwashed from young age. We believe people are all equal because we are educated. So in the past, we believe some people are higher than someone else, and some people are lower than someone else. But for them, the Communist Party members and especially Kim Il-sung families are really like a god. Yeah, so yeah, they might not have a religion in North Korea. Yeah. All right. And what else? Yeah. And my Koreans go to the army after high school usually, but after high school you have eligibility to go to military service. But entrance exam for university is very tough. We work we study like 12 hours every day, even like reducing sleeping time, but study like entire days for 1 year. So after they succeed getting in university, they feel pretty much tired of their life, and military life is tougher probably. Yeah. So they don't want to go to army right away. So they usually, on average, they go to army on the 2nd year or 3rd year during university time, and they come back. Yeah. It's 2 years for men only, compulsory. And what's different from other countries, other country is that other countries' military service is that in Korea, even during weekend, we have to stay in the camp because we face North Korea every day, all year round. So even during military service time, we cannot come back. Yeah, that's yeah. So it's pretty much mental stress comes with military service. Every man goes to military service. It's not easy. Yeah, I wanted to meet my parents when I was in military service to say something. Yeah. I cried when nobody was watching me. Because there comes with the seniors bully as well, and they are very strict, and insulting words can be possible.